What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to this video. My name is Nick. I am a full-time eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari reseller, and I make YouTube videos about it to share my process, my journey, and those little tips and tricks that can help you out on your reselling journey as well. In this video, we're taking the dive to yet another reselling challenge. If you've been around my channel for any amount of time, or if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I love a good reselling challenge simply because I like to challenge myself to see if I can reach a goal or a set of goals in a specific period of time. We're jumping into yet another reselling challenge, and I'm happy to say this challenge was actually organized by someone else, not by myself. I tend to throw a lot of reselling challenges at my YouTube channel and my Instagram account, and this one I actually did not start. And so I'm super pumped to be jumping in on someone else's reselling challenge and trying my hand at what they are doing to see if we can come up with similar results. I am somewhat of a competitive person, so I always have to keep that in check. Don't compete with the other person, compete with yourself. And so hopefully I don't go crazy on this challenge. But with that being said, let's jump into my computer. I'm going to share with you whose challenge this is, who started it, and how it came to be. All right, so here we are in my computer, and you can see I have this YouTube channel open on the screen. This is Walter Blake Knoblock's YouTube channel. Walter is a reseller, an Amazon and eBay reseller, and he has a YouTube channel where he posts a lot of videos about selling on Amazon and eBay. If you're not already subscribed to him, I highly recommend it. You can get his link in the description of this video. It'll be the first link that is available there. You can see right here that Walter has 101,000 subscribers. He's definitely hitting the nail on the head when it comes to YouTube, crushing it, really good content. You can also see that I'm subscribed and I have the notification bell turned on, which is super key to supporting your favorite YouTube content creators. With that being said, before you go check out Walter's channel, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell if you like the content that I'm putting out here on the channel. Now, back to Walter's channel. What we're doing here is we are looking at this video right here, how to make your first $10,000 reselling. Now, this is great if you're an absolute beginner because it's taking $10 and turning it into $10,000 by the end of the year. If you are an established reseller who's been doing this for a while, or if you're an expert and this is your full-time job, this is also beneficial because perhaps there's that thing that you want. Maybe you want to get a newer used car, you want a down payment on a potential real estate investment property. This is the type of challenge that can get you one step closer to meeting those goals. And so we're going to jump into this. I don't know what my plans are once I hit that $10,000 goal. However, I will figure something out, and I know that'll be exciting, but I'm doing this for the fun of the journey itself. I love the process. I love the journey of taking goals, taking ambition, putting it, applying it, and realizing the goal. That is where I live and breathe at. And so this is right up my alley. I love it. So clicking on the video, I have the video open already. I'm going to show you right here. For 8 minutes and 20 seconds, Walter talks about this challenge. Basically, take $10, and pretty much everyone can come up with $10 at some point in their week, whether that be by selling something you already own, selling a piece of your inventory if you're a reseller, and then taking that money and dedicating it toward this challenge. Or thirdly, taking a small piece of your weekly paycheck or bi-weekly paycheck from your day job, if that is your scenario. Take $10, go to the thrift, hunt, search, figure it out, and find those items that you can buy in order to flip them for the challenge. Now, within this, he says, this can take as long as you deem necessary. It might take you a week to flip everything. I feel like that's really ambitious, but I guess it could work. Or it could take you the rest of the year. For myself, I'm giving myself the rest of the year. There's 35 weeks remaining in 2020, and I'm thinking that if I can flip each lot of items in 2 weeks, so buy them, list them, and flip them within 2 weeks, that sets me on track to get paid. My multiplier that I'm looking at is 1.5 times. So if I spend $10 right now, I want to receive $15 net profit after all fees, after all shipping, after everything's paid. I want to have $15 back in my account to go source for the next rotation, we'll call it, the next rotation of this challenge. So having that 1.5 multiplier, we'll open it up on here. Let's say you start at $10, you see that right there, and you multiply that times 1.5. That's our multiplier. Spend 10, make sure you get 15 bucks back to your bank account. You spend 100, make sure you get 150 back to your bank account after all fees, taxes, shipping, everything's settled. So we take that 1.5 and we're going to times that by, we're going to say 18, because this is 35 weeks remaining in the year. We're going to cut that in half because we're giving ourselves 2 weeks for each cycle of this. And so we're just going to say 18. And would you know, that's $14,778, $4,000 more. We have a $4,778 margin for error, meaning some of those might not make a 1.5 return. Many of them, most of them will for sure. Some of them might make 2, 3, 4 times return. You never know. But the goal is to average it out at a 1.5 multiplier. All right, let's get rid of this calculator here. Within this, Walter has shown that he has a spreadsheet here. Within the description of Walter's video, there's a link that says, here's the spreadsheet if you want to follow along. Now, he's inviting people to do this with him. However, this is just his spreadsheet alone. It takes you to his blog, WBK Ultra, and you scroll down and it says, click to see the updated spreadsheet. We're going to click in. It's going to open a Google Sheet right here, and we're going to see it's the 10 to 10K 2021 challenge, and it shows his items, purchase date, purchased from, sale date, cost of goods, where sold, how shipped, price sold at, shipping cost, profit after shipping, return on investment, total profit, date updated, so on and so forth. So this spreadsheet is actually a view only. It's only shared. It's not for collaboration. Obviously, he doesn't want people going in and messing it up. You can download it or make a copy for yourself. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. You just go to File. You're going to go down to Make a Copy, and then copy of this spreadsheet. And so I'm going to call it this. I'm going to save it in my drive. I'm going to say okay. And so now this is opening that same spreadsheet in my drive. Now I will do a little bit of formatting. I'll make sure all the things are up to my understanding of Google Sheets, just because I have a certain way of doing things. For the most part, it looks really good. You can see he's got some formulas set up in here. He's got it really dialed in. So a lot of this stuff is not going to apply. Obviously, I can take out Salvation Army because none of these are mine. I'm going to clean up this spreadsheet for myself. Obviously, these are not my items. They're not my numbers. They're Walter's. And so I'm going to go through this spreadsheet and I'm going to clean it up because I need it to work for me. Now, I shared with you how you can get a copy of the spreadsheet. I highly suggest you go through, do the same thing, clean it up, select these things, delete the stuff that you don't need. Make sure to leave all of the formulas that he put in there, because these formulas will calculate everything the way it needs to be calculated in order to track the items. Now, before we jump into the thrift store, I want to explain how I'm going to be doing this. Normally, I have my own set way, my own set standard for inventory and how I keep things and hold things. This time, what I'm going to be doing is dedicating one of my 90-quart bins to this challenge. So anything I buy from this challenge is going to go get photographed, listed, and stuck in that particular bin. And then as things grow, as we get more and more inventory for it, as we sell things, once it overflows, we'll see what we do about it then. Maybe we take 2 bins. I fully expect this to go big. It's going to get to a point, you know, if you have $5,000 to spend, that might be really tedious to try to spend $5,000 on items that you can fast flip on eBay within 2 weeks. That's a tall order. You never know, anything can happen, but for my scenario, I'm looking at cars. Maybe we get to a point where we have $5,000. We can pick up a few $2,000 cars or $1,500 cars, clean them up, get them sparkly clean, and then turn around and flip those cars to go toward this challenge. Anything's possible, anything's doable. With that being said, let's jump into the thrift store and see what we can find. Starting to rain. Switched it up. Nike Hirachas. just cashed out and we are taking off down the road. As far as this challenge is concerned, we were able to pick up 3 items. We're all in at $9 plus tax. So we are in under the $10 starting point, and I feel like we did really good. Also within there, I did buy an item for my general resale business, which is this 3-quart pot. Emerald is the name of the brand. That was $12.25. We'll go over everything when we get home and I will show you what we've got. All right, guys, welcome back from the thrift store. We are back in the studio here and we've got 3 items. We were able to pick up 3 items for $9 and change after tax and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go over these with you and share the comps with you. First off, we're gonna talk about what the items are and what I paid for them. We picked up this leather fedora. This is a winter caps leather fedora. I believe I paid $2 for this. It is genuine leather, extra large, made in the USA. Really a slick, premium piece here. It does have some sort of cracking in the leather. I guess it's okay. I believe it will still sell. It does have some of this white right here. I thought this was the leather peeling. However, it actually looks like it's paint. Maybe it sat up against a wall for a while and the paint adhered to it. And so I was able to just scratch it and the paint comes right off. Very excited about this piece. Right here, the sold comps, we have the exact same hat. Right here, it was a medium, sold for $16, free shipping. Here's this other one. It's a winter caps. That's the name of it, winter caps, leather. This one's not a fedora. This is more of like the Walter from Breaking Bad hat, which is pretty cool. $40 plus shipping. And then we had the actual winter caps fedora size medium, sold for $22 plus shipping. So I'm gonna go in for probably $19.99 plus shipping, or maybe $24 free shipping. And I think I can offload this pretty quickly for that price. I checked the available items for sale and there are none for sale. So I think this can be a really quick item to sell through fast, to get that profit quickly so we can roll it right back into the next cycle of this challenge. All right, for item number 2, I was a little iffy on these, but I got these shoes for $3. It's a pair of Nike Huaraches. This is not a great colorway. This is black, gray, orange, and red. I have sold this particular pair before. However, the Nike Huaraches that really sell well are the triple black, triple white, and triple red. I sold a pair of triple red youth Nike Huaraches just a couple days ago for $59. This is not a great pair, and the prices reflect that. So when we jump into my computer screen, you can see right here that the Nike Huarache, I mean, it's dark gray, hyper crimson, black. It's not awesome. There's one pair for $20 that had $10.10 shipping, and then the other one that was $38. They took a best offer and it was free shipping. I'll probably do free shipping because I want to get these out of here quick. Probably $29 free shipping, and then keep in mind that I only paid $3. So honestly, as long as I get $4.50 back to my account from these, that's keeping on track with what we're doing. Now, obviously that's my minimum, like that's my minimum that I need to hit is 1.5 multiplier, but I'm going to go for more for sure. And then the last item that we picked up, we were able to get for $4 was this Ogio backpack. I believe that's how it's pronounced. Really good condition. There were some stains on the inside of this, on this part on the inside. Some of the inner fabric lining was a little bit stained. And so that's something that's going to have to be annotated in the description of the item listing. However, it's a good backpack overall. This is something that I would consider using myself if I needed another backpack, which if you ask my wife, I have a dozen backpacks and I don't need another one. And looking at the comps here, remember that $6 is the minimum that we need to have rolled back into the account after all fees, shipping, and everything is done. You can see here, 35 best offer, free shipping, 49 best offer, free shipping. These are all pre-owned also. 45, 50, 20, 65. However, I think I'm gonna come in probably at $38 free shipping, because this is only maybe a pound and a half and I can get this shipped fairly cheap. I'm going to be making update videos every week or every 2 weeks as soon as the items sell. If they sell within a week, that's awesome. I will make a video that week. If it takes the full 2 weeks to sell them, that's okay too. I will make the video. If 2 of the 3 items sell in the first 2 weeks, then I'll make a video about those items and then share me going out and picking up new items with the available money. The idea is to get this stuff sold fast, to go from $10 to $10,000 cash by the end of the year. We have 18 rotations to do. That is 2 weeks times 18, 36 weeks, 35 weeks really. If you're interested in jumping on this challenge, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting a lot there about what I'm doing, and we can communicate back and forth. You can ask questions, I will answer your questions. Drop a comment down below if you are going to jump into this challenge. Let me know. Let's keep in contact, keep each other motivated and inspired to get to that 10K mark. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to go check out Walter Blake Knoblock's channel, link in the description, first link in the description. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like for the YouTube algorithm. It helps the channel out greatly. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing so you can follow this journey forward to see how we're gonna go from $10 to $10,000 by the end of the year. And then as always, I will see you guys on the next video.